Dear students of Standard 6, in previous class we have studied for the matter and its nature. So everything in our surrounding that occupies space and has mass is matter. So certainly today we are talking about water. So water is also made up of matter. Now just you can realize when we are putting a ice cube and putting into the plate in open space, so when heated the ice is going to melt slowly and change into the water. When you are putting a cube of ice from your fridge and put in a plate and open environment, when you are putting for some time, so it is going to change into the water. Certainly, if or what you have realized, in any pot when you warm this water, so this going to evaporate into water vapors. Like when you have to see the kettle on the gas stove, so mouth of the kettle is going to spread the water vapors through, and slowly all water is going to convert into vapors. So again, if you are putting an experiment, if you have to put a glass sheet and over this glass sheet you have to put some wetted cloth, and this glass sheet is or should put upon the water vapor, so after some times this water vapor is going to convert into again water. So what we have seen the different types of the water. One type is known as a liquid state. What we are saying, water in the liquid form, and another when it is going to be cooled, or it should be in your refrigerator, so it is going to cooled and that ice form is available. Second form is in ice. First form we have to realize in the liquid form, and third, when heated it is convert into the vapor. So all these three types is known as the states. So this is the three states of matter. So what we have learned, water is in the ice form. This ice form is a solid form because we can't press them, it is hard, so it is in solid form. According, another state is the water form, and third stage is the gaseous form. So these three, solid, liquid and gaseous, these three states of water is in your surroundings. So all the matters exist only into these three states: solid, liquid and gaseous. Now we have to learn here what are the characteristics of these solids, liquid and gas. These are the characteristics. What are these? If a solid has a fixed volume, if we are talking about solid, so solid has a fixed volume and definite shape, whereas liquid has a fixed volume but not a definite shape. It takes the shape of container. In what container you have to put this liquid, that is the shape of that liquid. Third stage is, or third form is, water is gas. So a gas has neither a fixed volume nor a definite shape, so it assumes the volume and shape of the container. In whatever container you have to put the gaseous form, it occupies the shape and volume according to the container. So these are the different characteristics of solid, liquid and gases. तो हम लोग क्या सब पढ़े कि सारे चीज़ हमारे सराउंडिंग्स में मेनली बने होते हैं जिनको बोलते हैं हम लोग मैटर। ये मैटर 3 प्रकार के फॉर्म में अवेलेबल हैं। एक प्रकार होता है सॉलिड फॉर्म, एक प्रकार होता है मैटर का लिक्विड फॉर्म और एक प्रकार होता है गैसियस फॉर्म। जैसा कि हम लोग देख सकते हैं पानी जब हम लोग ऐसे देखते हैं तो वो लिक्विड फॉर्म में है, उसको जब फ्रीज में रखते हैं ठंडा कर देते हैं तो वो आइस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, तो ये इसका सॉलिड फॉर्म है। और तीसरा जब उसको गर्म करते हैं वेपर निकलता है तो ये इसका गैसियस फॉर्म है। ये 3 फॉर्म मैटर्स के 3 फॉर्म होते हैं। हम लोग फिर देखते हैं कि अलग अलग उसका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स। कोई भी सॉलिड जो होता है उसका एक फिक्स वॉल्यूम होता है और डेफिनेट शेप होता है, जबकि लिक्विड का फिक्स्ड वॉल्यूम तो होता है लेकिन डेफिनेट शेप नहीं होता है। ये जिस किसी कंटेनर में और सामान में चाहे जहाँ भी रखा जाए उसी का शेप को ग्रहण कर लेता है। तीसरा गैस के बारे में जानते हैं, ना तो गैस का कोई फिक्स्ड वॉल्यूम होता है और न ही उसका कोई डेफिनेट शेप होता है। इसको जिस किसी चीज़ में रखते हैं और कंटेनर में रखते हैं, बर्तन में रखते हैं, उसी का ये वॉल्यूम और शेप प्राप्त कर लेता है। तो ये डिफरेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैस के।